Hi. Now, this session we will see how to work with Object Studio. Till now, whatever the sessions so we have learned all belongs to Process Studio and how to use the shapes in a Process Studio. That's it, right? We didn't went to Object Studio. Now we'll see what is the difference between Process Studio and Object Studio and what is the main intention of Object Studio, how to call the objects into the process. So when we are created, we will see that. Now let's first observe what is the difference between process and object. When you are creating anything under the process folder, it belongs to Process Studio. When you want to create anything under the object, if you create anything, then it will belongs to Object Studio. In simple way, what we can say is any application related implementations. If you want to work with any application, blindly go with Object Studio. If you want to use any reusable components in your Blueprism, then Object Studio. It means already built-in frameworks is available in Object Studio. If you want to reuse that, then we will go with Object Studio. So this is the difference between process and object. Whatever the object we have created here, you can able to use these objects in processes. Once you created the object, you can use that object in n number of process. There is no limit. So don't worry if you are getting confused or if you are not clear when we are implementing this Object Studio. So I am sure that I will give the clear clarification on this particular thing. So let's jump into the difference between Object Studio and Process Studio. Let's me open any one particular thing, create a process. Example I have given just to show you the difference between Object Studio and Process Studio. We created one process here. This is your process, right? Okay, let it be here. And let's create one object here. So before that, let me create a folder. Created a folder the same way how created a folder for process Blueprism. The same way we created. Observe this, create object. We are going to create an object. Example obj I will give, because if you give the same name, Blueprism will not allow you to create. Now we have created an object the same way it created. Let me open the object. Now observe this, almost it looks like same as a Process Studio, right? Now observe the difference. This is Object Studio and this is a Process Studio. The right hand side you can able to see this is Process Studio. The left hand side what you can able to see that is a Object Studio. Now observe this. Let's quickly what all the shapes we don't have in a process which is available in Object Studio. If you observe this here, read, write, navigate, code and wait. These are the 5 shapes which we don't have in your Process Studio. Observe this, we don't have. And then one shape which is not available in object, but it is available in process. Observe this, anchor, right? Sorry, alert. Alert. This alert shape, it is not available in your Object Studio, but it is available in Process Studio. Exception, recover, resume. Also, it's available here, but it's, see this, it's available here. Okay. Now only the read, write, navigate, code, wait. These are the shapes which is not available in process. And then alert, this is not available in object. Other than the shapes, what are the other differences we have here? See this here, we have a main page in a process studio. In process, we are going to call it as a pages. But when it is coming to object, we will call that as a actions. We have initialize, cleanup, and action. We are not going to do anything with the initialize and cleanup. By default, it will be there. But whatever the things we are going to create, we are going to create in a actions. We used to call that as a actions. We used to call here as a pages. If you create a number of pages, page 1, page 2, page 3, like that. The same way here, you can create actions. Action 1, action 2, action 3, like that. And other difference, observe is application modular. If you want to work with any application, application modular. And then we have a launch. So these are the differences we have when we compare to Process Studio and Object Studio. In next video, so we'll see what is the purpose of this application modular and what is the purpose of these other shapes in your Object Studio. Thank you.